listen, people. 1 in 8 bridges in America. Actually, my statistics are flawed. It's like outdated too. So, but 1 in 8 last time I read. Dire need bridges in America. Dire need, right? Look, this is a bridge. That's concrete. Oh, look at cars coming. Stop. But look, this is all concrete. They're supposed to be. It's more like gravel. Kind of scary thought. Train rolled through earlier. Ooh. Like, hey, wait, here we go. Like, tracks popping up. This one needs to be addressed. I understand it doesn't have much traffic over it, but still, if heavy freight were to come across it in the right circumstances, it would not be good. But okay, no, come on, we got a minute here. It's red light. Jesus Christ! Look at where it joins to like solid stuff right here. Like, eesh. Uh-oh. Not good, guys. We need to address that problem fast.